Hello. Thank you for calling Mindful Bridge. I am Sarah. How are you doing?
The easiest way to build an AI support line is with JustCall. It's a all-in-one platform, so you don't have to connect like a bunch of different apps in order to get started. I'll leave their 14-day free trial link in the description. And once you're signed up, you can head over to the AI voice agent tab. Now, JustCall gives you a pre-built agent that's almost ready to go right out of the box, but let's tweak it for our business. So let's customize the agent settings. For agent role, we can just tell the agent what type of support it should provide. So let's go with customer support. Then add the name of the business, and we can just go with a telehealth company called Mindful Bridge, and the name of our AI agent, which is Sarah. And for the agent personality and conversational guidelines, I can just leave those as default because they're pretty solid for most cases. And then I can just scroll down and pick a voice that feels right for my brand. And personally, I like Mia. And if you really want to go deeper, you can really fine-tune things. Voice speed, speaking style, and speaking volume. The defaults are pretty solid, but it's nice to tweak if you need to. Hit next, and now we can define the script. And you can make some of the questions mandatory, depending on what information you need to collect. But for just a simple support line, I like asking for the caller's name, the reason that they're calling, and if there's any other questions that they have. And when you're done, you can just hover over and hit next to build your knowledge base. And you can think of this kind of just like a AI voice agent brain. This is where you teach it everything about your business, so it knows how to help your customers and answer any of their questions. And you have a few options on how to do this. You can drop URLs to web pages, and your AI agent can pull information automatically about your business from there. But if you don't like that, you can just add a Q&A format, where you can upload a spreadsheet in a Q&A format like this in order to educate your agent. You also can add text. This is where you can provide custom text about your business, and this is my personal favorite way of educating the agent. I created a small document that has all the information about our telehealth company called Mindful Bridge, so that my AI agent has all the information in order to answer important questions. I'm going to copy this and add this into the add text. Now I can hover up to the top, click next, and assign actions. And if you really want to build a complex AI voice agent, this is where actions come in. This is where your AI agent can take actions within your business, whether during or after a call. During the call, it can schedule appointments, transfer to a human agent, or send SMS. Or after the call, where it can send a custom text message, analyze the call for key data and input it directly into your CRM, or automatically tag calls based on their outcome. And since we're just building a simple AI voice agent, we won't need to set up any of this. But if you want a deeper walkthrough of how to set this up, I made a complete video just on actions. Click here for the full tutorial. Hover up to the top, hit next again, and for the last step, we just need to assign a phone number to our AI voice agent. And this phone number can be created right inside of JustCall since it's an all-in-one solution. Now let's give it a call and see our AI customer support line in action.
Hello. Thank you for calling Mindful Bridge. I am Sarah. How are you doing?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing super well. This is Daniel Zerati.
That's wonderful to hear, Daniel. Thank you for sharing your name. How can I assist you today?
Well, I was just curious. I know that you guys offer telehealth services, but I was wondering if I could also come in to the in-person clinic or if that's even a possibility.
Great question, Daniel. Yes, you can absolutely visit our in-person clinic. Walk-ins are accepted Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., though we recommend calling ahead to check wait time. You can also schedule an appointment for a specific time if that works better for you. Does that help, or is there anything else you'd like to know about visiting the clinic?
And what if I need help after hours?
If you need help after hours, you can leave a message with me and the team will follow up with you on the next business day. For emergencies, please call 911 or visit the nearest emergency room. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Nope, that is all. And just like that, we're able to set up an AI customer support line and answer questions straight from our knowledge base. And of course, this is just one way to set up AI voice agents within your business. But I just want to make this video short and to the point. But if you like the video, click like and subscribe. And click this video right here where I show you how to use JustCall's actions to build a complex AI voice agent.